Now to demonstrate what to do from there, I will take an SW computer that I have here, plug in a motor, and I will grab my sounding board so you can hear the vibrations of the motor. And this is a normal startup for the SW computer without the PCB connected. Note the length of the ready to fire vibration. That was relatively short. Now we will plug in the PCB to the aux port. We will power up the PCB and wait for it to finish booting before we turn on the SW computer. Okay, we're good to go. Notice how the ready to fire vibration is much longer. That is how you know that the SW computer and the PCB are talking to each other properly. Always disconnect the SW computer from power prior to the PCB, and do not leave the PCB connected to the battery indefinitely, as it does draw a small amount of current and can drain the battery down past below safe charging levels. At this point, the PCB is ready to be used. All you need to do is take the little sticker that has the version information on it. You can either peel off the backing and apply it directly to the board, or you can leave the backing on. It's a little easier if you leave the backing on. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the whole thing. Get the label where it's supposed to be. And now all you need is just a little heat, and you're done. I tend to use a hot air gun, but a lighter will work just as well. Typically a butane torch type lighter is usually a little excessive, but if you move quickly, you don't risk burning or melting anything. And it is actually quite quick to accomplish. And that's it. It's all together, ready to go, and you know exactly what it is. Enjoy.